Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to discuss on the types of electron emission. The electron emission from the surface of a metal is possible only if sufficient additional energy equal to the work function of the metal is supplied from some external sources. This external energy may come from a variety of sources such as heat energy, energy stored in electric field, light energy or kinetic energy of the electric charges bombarding the metal surface. Accordingly, there are following four principal methods of obtaining electron emission from the surface of a metal, and these are thermionic emission, field emission, photoelectric emission and secondary emission. Now, firstly, we will discuss on thermionic emission. In this method, the metal is heated to sufficient temperature, about 2500 degrees Celsius, to enable the free electrons to leave the metal surface. The number of electrons emitted depends upon the temperature. The higher the temperature, the greater is the emission of electrons. This type of emission is employed in vacuum tubes. Second method is field emission. In this method, a strong electric field, like a high positive voltage, is applied at the metal surface, while pulls the free electrons out of metal because of the attraction of positive field. The stronger the electric field, the greater is the electron emission. And the third method is photoelectric emission. In this method, the energy of light falling upon the metal surface is transferred to the free electrons within the metal to enable them to leave the surface. The greater the intensity, like brightness, of light beam falling on the metal surface, the greater is the photoelectric emission. And the last method is secondary emission. In this method, a high velocity beam of electrons strikes the metal surface and causes the free electrons of the metal to be knocked out from the surface.